Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 12.3 question number 8. The weight of 72 books is 9 kg. What is the weight of 40 such books? Right? Therefore, we can say that the weight of the weight the weight of 72 books 72 books the weight of 72 books is 9 kg. Therefore, the weight of one book is 9 by 72 kg. Right? Therefore, the weight of 40 books is 9 by 72 into 40 kg. Right? Here 9 1 is 9, 8 9 is 72, 8 1 is 8, 5 8 is 40. Right? What is the weight of 40 such books? Therefore, the weight of 40 books is 5 kg. Right? Again we are repeating. The weight of 72 books is 9 kg. Therefore, the weight of one book is 9 by 72 kg. Therefore, the weight of 40 books is 9 by 72 into 42 kg. Right? That is 9, 8 9 is 72, 8 1 is 8, 8 5 is 40, that is 5 kg. Therefore, you can say the weight of 40 books is 5 kg. This is the solution of question number 8, exercise 12.3. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.